Nice. So, we guys are live. This is a live session, so I'm not gonna be discussing strategies and whatnot. I'm just gonna focus on trading. And if you guys know about how I make my decisions, how I found uh, my targets, in that case, you guys can let me know in the comments, and I will make the relevant videos. Wow, uh, this is great. Nifty has opened way down on the floor. So the short seller, that is a great open for me. Makes things a bit easier, actually a lot easier. And this is just dumping. Anyway, usually I don't trend the first 15 minutes. It's just too volatile for me. So right now I'm just observing what is happening. What do you guys think of this open? I mean, let me know. You know, when you see market open this low, you're happy as a short seller, but then you think about your mutual fund portfolio and then you're not so happy. God, it's all red. So just keep on refreshing. We don't have a whole bunch of greens, we have reds. Again, let's not go there right now. Especially one of the biggest reasons I don't trade in this, especially in the first 15 minutes, are the spreads. The spreads in some stocks go almost half a rupee, and I mean it doesn't get a lot better after 15 minutes, but it is relatively much better because when I'm trading, usually I try to keep my stop losses anywhere between half rupee and 1 rupee, and 1 rupee is like my hard stop. So those tight stops, they keep me on my toes, but at the same time, they keep money in my wallet. So I'm happy with those. But the problem with that is if you have a stop loss of, let's say, 0.75 and you have a spread that moves around between zero point 0.5 to 1 rupee, then you will hardly have any movement in this stock needed to, just wick you out. That is not pretty. So not pretty. Okay, what has happened here? I mean, this is weird. It says it's gonna refresh in 60 seconds, but I can tell you it doesn't. Anyway, we have the most movement in HL, and then we have LTF. I have traded both of the stocks before. I don't really remember how it was at the time. Now I'm thinking, should I open the stocks right now? I mean, if I open the stocks, obviously they would be just red, red, red. And I'll be tempted to go in now. At least we have some VWAP, some defined VWAP, so we can have some relative action. So I don't just go for the red stock. I mean, red stock obviously is how I try to search for it. But at the same time, I like to find more weakness in the stock relative to the Nifty that day. For example, you guys can see Nifty is rising. So the idea would be when Nifty is rising, which dumping stock doesn't really follow. That's the kind of stock I would like to find and short. Now we are at 9:20. Maybe we should open one or some of the. See, this is why I don't really open it right now. I mean, in three refreshes we have three top dumpers. It's crazy. Nifty is recovering a little bit. Okay, at least we are not getting any more shuffles for the time being. Not getting suffers is, sorry, not getting suffers. They are good, good. That basically means situation is stabilizing a little bit. Okay, right now I should be opening on other stocks. REC LTD, LTF, and we have a new player. CYIENT, CYIENT, there you go. And I don't even know how to pronounce this, but I like this. Although right now I don't have any entry. Okay, if I did go, this is 291 point GAD. And look at the spread. That is one crazy spread. 292.45, where is it? 292.20. Ah man, this is a very tight entry. This also I like. This also I like. Ah man, so many options. AGIIL. AG double IL. Okay, this I am not liking that much. This has a crazy wick. Man, it looks crazy. It is. And look at this bird. God help me. So I'm just gonna load the scalper just in case we're interested. And we have a new player, DDEF. Might as well open that. DDEF. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, Nifty is greening. All of a sudden, I don't really like rec. I do like LTF, but where is my entry? Man, I like DDEF a lot. Should I short it? If I short it right now, 320 points. 75. Can short it here. This is stop loss. Man, this was scary. What the? Did I miss entry? Array, I definitely missed the entry. Okay, I think I'm entered. 91.06 to 91.06 to 91.06. Set up by stop here. Now I know this is very close, but yeah, if it doesn't go, then it doesn't go, I suppose. It doesn't feel like it's gonna go. Ah man, that was tough. Interested in this now. Should I open a 1 minute chart? Okay, that 1 minute chart is crazy. I went in. It is 250.50 average entry. 251.50. So let's just add a buy stop here. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, we quickly get out. So we already have had a red trade. I really hope this works out. If this doesn't work out, then I'm out for the day, which seems like might be sooner than I think. Let's give it some area to move. Okay, Nifty is going up. I don't know if I have entered too early in the time frame. At least I don't think so. But for example, this would have been the kind of short I usually do. So like entering somewhere around here, but the price snaps so fast. Man, this is something. Come on, come on, give me some follow through here. At least the spreads at times, I mean not always, at times get a little better. I can squeeze my stop loss. Gonna be I'm gonna be trailing the move with the stop loss once it gets to a respectable section. That is something what I do. So entries what 250.50. Let's hope for 20 ticks. It would be great if we can get 20 ticks. 20 ticks is what it is 250.50, right? So 249.50. That is 249.50 is, man, this is too far down. So here, that is what 20 ticks looks like. I think I'm too zoomed in. So I'm kind of losing perspective here, but I don't think that is too far for the stock itself. I mean, it has broken down quite a bit. It is looking too far at this scale, but I am way too zoomed in to like precisely control uh, my stop. Okay, we are seeing movement in the right direction. Nice. I mean, it felt the kind of stock which will give that kind of opportunity. It's 12 ticks, it's 13 ticks, Come on, dude, come on. We wanna say goodbye to you. It is recovering back a lot, but no problem. What is going on with Nifty? Nifty is falling, that is good, I suppose. Frankly, this is a very like questionable. Sometimes it feels like I'm trading at a very questionable time because around 10 is when you see reversals, but before 10 you see a lot of actions and follow-throughs. After 10, it like slows down, so you can't really say what will happen. Right now, I'm just hoping for a good follow-through here. We have seen proper break of a level at this point. I mean, if we see like 30 some ticks, it would be great. Usually I will try to grab this, but let's hold on today. At least bring the stop down. So we have got 14 ticks we were able to get so far. It's all unrealized, of course. I mean, the whole thing can go away based on the stop loss that I have, which is tricky, you know. Should I leave it? Should I take it? I mean, believe me, if it was some other day, I would have already taken it easily. But today seems like the kind of day where you hold on a little bit, especially if you are shorting. So I'm hoping that this like truly follows through. I see another break of level, and I'll be good, like really good. But at the same time, it seems like might just not work out. I mean, if you really zoom out, this was the movement, and as of now, the whole movement has collapsed. And it's going to, yeah, I think it's gonna go red. See, it's time like this when you're still building the habit. You question that, do I like have no flexibility whatsoever, or do I have like some flexibility? No flexibility in the sense that I can have like a strategy. You see anything beyond 10 ticks and you just trail it and trail it closely. And in a stock which is fluctuating like this at that level with that kind of spread, that simply means that's just a strategy of getting out. Very few stocks will like continuously go in one direction and not snap back. And so there is obviously that. Or you can based on the days, for example, this is a good day to hold a short. At least it feels that way. And that is why I'm holding on to a short, even though everything inside me is saying to get out, take the money and get out. And usually that is what would have done at least right now. I mean, come on, 17 ticks. We can have 20 ticks if it moves a little bit more. We can have 20 ticks, 18 ticks. Man, the spread is eating the other two ticks. 21 ticks. I'm trailing it. 22 ticks. See, this is what I'm talking about. And I got kicked out. And this is what happened. Okay, I mean, after brokerage, I would most probably. Oh man, I am so happy I got out. I got out somewhere around this, yeah, I think somewhere around here. And then the whole thing just snapped back. I don't know, maybe it will come back again. Who the hell knows? The point is, uh, I'm done for the day, guys. I am done with my two trades. So my first trade was on, I still can't pronounce the name, CNDLM, and I lost 46.90. In hindsight, I don't know, maybe if I had been a bit more tight, and I don't think I moved the stop loss there, but yeah, I lost about 46.9 there, and on LNT Finance, I was able to hold it together and I was able to make this. Overall, before brokerage, I'm green by 5. I mean, I'm happy to be green, but I'm sure after brokerage, this would be somewhere around minus 25 or something. That's still better than what it would have been if I had not taken this trade. So I'm happy with the trade. God, it came back. It really came back. See, this is what I'm like really questioning. But no, I'm happy with the exit. You know, start to question again, question just about everything. But I'm happy with the exit. So yeah, that's all. That's all for today. That is all the candles I'm gonna get today. Hopefully it's a little green, even if it's gonna get red after the brokerage. I'm still a little green right now, so I'm just gonna be happy about that. I'm happy I was able to catch that move, and yeah, that's what it is. A little bit each time, every day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.